Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And today we are going to close out our July savings and see what we saved. I will be honest with you, not much, so this should be a pretty short video. I counted them up already and we saved a total of 12 savings challenges. And I did add it all up. So I will tell you, we saved a total of $516. So we'll go over it and see where we saved it in each category. So like I said, it's going to be a pretty fast one this time around because we don't have a ton. So let's just go through our list and do that as we go. Let me bring in some $100 prop bills in case we hopefully have some. And let's go ahead and do our Christmas first. We had 2 of them. We just finished that one this week. So we'll start there. But we saved this one from IndigoMoonBudgets. And it saved us $20, $21, $22, $23. And then we had $107 from my Merry Christmas Color and Save. So that gives us a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. $130. Nice. So right off the bat, let's go ahead. Not this one. You know me, I never grab the right one first. And let's see. We're going to just sort of do them as we go, I think. That's my plan as of right now. You know me, I'll probably change it in the meantime. But so now in our Christmas savings, we can start off by getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. And grabbing a $100 prop bill, maybe. Guess none of them are all that Christmassy. That's okay. So then, what does that now put us up to? We now have, oh, and I need to write that in my back to the bank here. So Christmas was 100. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 800 now in the bank. And then 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So 857 now in Christmas. Nice. I can't condense all of it, so I'll probably go back later and finish condensing that. Next up, we've got our property fund, which, is that this one? Yes. So our Toy Story from Save with Glow here that we both started and finished all in one day. All right, I need to put these back here. There we go. So for that one, we're putting in $20, $30, $35, $36, and that will go back to the bank because I don't have an envelope for this one. So I guess we can actually make our change now. So let's do that really quick while we've got it. So 2 5s for a 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s for a 5. Perfect. Now we don't have to go back and condense later. So after that, we've got our debt fund. We had 2 of those. We have our If I'm Moody, Give Me Foodie and our Happy New Year 2026. So let's see how much that added up to put into our debt payment. And so that will go on to our, my husband's car. That's working on paying. I'm working on paying that off right now. That is my goal. Oh, we got 2 10s there. Well, I guess it doesn't matter because all this is going to go back to the bank as well. So for debt, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nice. 130 went on to our debt, which is so awesome. Next up, we've got our month ahead. So that would be this one from our Hello Spring from Doodle Dollarz. And this saved us $35. And that one is going to go right into our month ahead. So that way we can put it in there next time we go through. So we'll go ahead and we will tuck our 35 right into the front here. And when we go ahead and stuff this later on in August, we will go ahead and add that to our $100 that I usually bring, or that I brought last month and I plan to bring again next month. Alrighty, emergency fund is next, which is the money we finished in our month ahead, is building towards our emergency fund. Where's that one at? There it is. So we finished our first ever category, yay, in our month ahead, and that is $54 towards life insurance. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to, or $54, why did I say 55? $54, and we're going to go ahead and put that into the emergency fund. So I don't have enough to put 100 in the bank yet. So I'm just going to store it in here as cash until we hit 100. So $54 into that. Next up, we've got our savings. This is where we're saving our $1,000 for the month. So we finished 2 of them. We finished our one from Budget with Amanda, the Baby Groot Challenge. And finally, we finished Dorothy's Dollars. That only took us 6 months. But we finished it. So that was our 2 savings challenges on there. And let's see, what did we save total for our $1,000 savings? We've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, $80. Nice. So let's put this all back, grab a 20. So $80 is going into our savings. We're working on saving up another $1,000 to add into it because we currently have $1,000 in the bank. Well, we have a little bit more than that. We have a couple hundreds in there as well. So that was 80. Let's grab another 20 out of here, and that'll give us $100 we can put in the bank. And we can grab a prop bill. Perfect. I'm glad we're getting to take some money back. That's always nice. And now in our savings account that we're working towards 2,000, we've got 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 1350, 51, 52, 53. So 1353. Not mad at that. We still got quite a ways to go, but we're doing pretty good. All right, next we have, well, last but not least, we have our 3 minis that we finished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the $21 and I'm going to put that one into silver and gold for my husband. And the other 2, I'm going to go ahead and put that $30 because they were both $15. I'm going to put that into taxes because that's something we need to be saving towards. Paying property taxes. Never-ending cycle, you know. You own it, but only slightly. We're all just renting. All right, so let's put 20 of that back and grab a 20. So $30 we're going to put into taxes, and 21 we're going to put into silver and gold. And let's see, silver and gold, where does that put us? we now have 100 in the bank, 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Perfect. So 165, saving up till we can get another gram of gold. And then 30 into taxes, but that is going to be, I believe, in the other one. Oh, no, it's not. It's in here. Perfect. All of them were in here today. So we can put these 2 10s back for a 20. And now in taxes, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, $87. Like I said, it was a fast one today. Not too much. But we've got some money here that we get to take back to the bank, put some towards our debt payoff, some in our savings, all of it going to make us some money. So that's awesome. I love that we get to build our savings account back up. But all right, friends, like I said, it was a pretty fast one today. Nothing too crazy going on, but I thought about waiting and doing it all next month and like putting a couple together. So we had a few more, but I'm glad I finished it and I cashed them out because it helps keep me motivated to like see my Christmas fund growing and see all my different funds keep growing little by little. But alrighty, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a short one, but if you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.